Hey everybody, Iceman 50 here. You can see I'm limping on my own. I took that fucking brace off. My leg feels pretty good. I'm not the heel of my foot is what's fucked up. So I said screw it, let's ride. I'm gonna ride the scooter. If I can see. Hey. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, fucking.
Oh, yeah, the kickstand.
The kickstand. Okay, hang on. There we go. Dang. This thing's unhappy. We might have to let this warm up a little bit. There's the Gromster. Trevor's on the Navi. Hey, it's not flashing anymore. You ready?
Huh?
You ready? Oh yeah, this is totally doable. None? All right, go ahead. I'll follow you. Oh yeah, this is fucking sweet. Oh yeah, just like riding a bike. This is sweet. Scooter gang. Scooter gang. Yeah guys, this is amazing. I took the fucking brace off. Earlier today I started walking around with that. Like, today was the first day I took it off and I started walking around. I gotta walk on my toes. You know, the ball of my foot isn't so great, but you know, I got a pretty bad bone bruise on the bottom of my, you know, my heel, but other than that, this is amazing. Yeah. Show up to my doctor's appointment on a bike. I say fuck it. This is amazing. Trevor's in front of me. He's leading today. You know, I found out you can get wheel weights for these scooters too. I'm thinking we might, I mean, this thing's pretty peppy, but I'm thinking we might upgrade the, I might upgrade the wheel weights on this thing too. Yeah, don't tell Trevor. I got him some 11 gram, Dr. What the fuck is it? Dr. Sprocket or Dr. something. I got him some 11 gram wheel weights for the Navi. Help improve his his pickup. So we're just this is a gas station run. We're just heading over. He wanted to get another Arizona iced tea. I'm probably gonna get like a Mike's Hard Lemonade. Not Mike's Hard Lemonade. I like the Twisted Tea. So this is fucking amazing. I've said it like a million times. It's only been like, tomorrow will be 2 weeks. So the knee feels pretty good. The ankle's amazing. Feels good. So that's what we're gonna do. You know, is I can actually get around on my own, which is nice. I should probably get this thing some gas. Okay. We're low on gas. Get some gas here. The knee's still a little sore. I bought a knee brace with like metal side pieces to it, so that, you know, some like braces, so that I can do what I need to do. So that should help. Let's get some gasolina in this thing. Okay. Let's see here. Super excited. I'm really glad that all you guys have kind of, you know, bared with me, and big shout out to Rick, Will835, Umberto, you know, giving you a shout out. All my guys, 328, all y'all. I really appreciate it. You know, you guys are kind of stuck with me here, so just trying to get through the tough times, you know. I don't want a receipt, Jesus. So we're gonna pick, wow, 579.9, Jesus. So, but yeah, I think this is really good. You know, I can, you know, it's good when you have autonomy. You know, it's pretty hard when you can't drive yourself anywhere. You can't do anything, you know. Wow, that's it. I filled it up with 1.3 gallons. Cost me $7.49. A lot better than if it was my if it was the Challenger, it would cost me probably $120 to fill up. Walking on the knee right now. Everything's good. Go in here and get a drink. Oh. I was like, where'd he go? Where'd he go? If I only had some kind of storage space.
Yeah.
I do, I guess, under the seat or up front. But that'll work too. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
It's nice. We can roll out, get back to it.
You put gas in it already?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Was $7.49 for 1.29 gallons.
Oh, what'd you put in it?
Regular.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, normally I was putting, were you putting premium in this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was too, but, you know, I don't think it needs it. No. All right, go ahead. There we go. Go to our favorite part through the twisties. Oh, it's nice and dark over here. Oh, yeah. Appreciate everybody coming along. This is, it's pretty cool. It's only been 2 weeks. Oh, yeah. Look at them leaning a lot more. That's awesome. Hell yeah. The brakes on the Chinese scooter are pretty good now that I got the front brakes working. Not sure I'm ready to ride the Grom yet, but this counts, right? On 2 wheels. Hell yeah. So his KLX 110 bars came in today. This weekend we'll swap them over. Oh man, he's ripping it. I gotta catch up. I love riding with Trevor. It's amazing. I wouldn't trade this for anything. It's all about family. Oh, good. He's doing a good job of leading. He's staying on his left. He's looking. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Oh, he's in the dust. Eat my dust. Oh man, well hopefully those 11 gram weights will get him up there. this I love this scooter. This 150cc scooter is great. Eat my dust. Oh man. But seriously, thanks to everybody for thoughts and prayers and looking out for me. This is kind of sucky, but you know, what are you gonna do? So I'm back though. We're having a good time. So what?
You got this hanging.
Oh shit.
You scared the hell out of me. It was getting so close, it almost got caught up in your rear wheel.
Are you serious?
I shit you not.
Where did this come
I
from?
don't know. I just saw it when you got behind me and I was racing. I said, oh, I gave up. I accepted my fate of defeat.
What the hell?
And then
Where did this cord come from? What the hell? Where the fuck did this come from? It's from inside my bag. I don't recall this being inside my bag. What the fuck?
yeah, man, I saw that. I was like, oh my god, it's gonna get sucked up in his rear wheel. I was like, dude.
And then I'm gonna fall off
I
again.
was like, Jesus Christ. I was like, I was gonna honk, but I'm like, no, okay. If it was gonna happen, it was gonna happen.
Yeah.
But
Hey, it's great that you get to turn it off and you still have light.
yeah, right. I know. It's awesome.
It's pretty good. Oh man. Jesus.
Yeah, I caught that. I'm like, what is that? If anything, it got close enough that it was hitting the rear suspension.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and I was like, man.
Fucking hell.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, mate. That's the last thing I need. I smell gasoline. I smell exploding gasoline.
Well, it is the Chinese scooter.
Yeah, I don't know. I smell something. It's fine. It'll be fine.
That was good.
You got you got it in there?
Yeah.
All right.
That was fun.
Yeah. All right, everybody. We'll see you on the next one, all right? Easy.